Hello, I'm Gentle from Gentle Programming. Let's start your journey in programming with me, and I'm going to start this journey with C programming. So let's begin how we work in C programming. Before getting started C programming, we need to have a IDE installed in our machine. So what IDE actually is? IDE means integrated development environment, which facilitates comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development, and it consists of different bundles of programs like code editor, build automation tools, and a debugging tool, which is very important in development while developing the system. So we have to download first. Just search dev C++. There are lots of compilers available in the internet. We need to have a compiler installed in our machine to compile C programming. So C compilers, there are lots of compilers available in the internet, as GNU compiler, C, Intel C++, Portable C, Dev C also, right? There are lots of, but I will recommend you Dev C++ for compiling both C and C++ programming. So Dev C++, follow this link, source4g.net. I'm gonna download it on the machine. Click on download. 4 seconds. Okay, step 5. It's downloading. It's almost complete. Okay, download completed. Now let's go to download folder and just click on setup file is here. So just double click on setup file, then a pop-up window comes and click on S, and it's unpacking data or set of files data. Okay, please select your language. I'm choosing English language. I accept this GNU public license, that means license agreement. And this section is for you can choose or custom the components of this Dev C++, but please no need to select any components, just this is okay. And now you can install Dev C++ in any directory using browse. You can change directory, but I'm gonna install this Dev C++ in C directory inside program files folder. So I'm clicking install. Okay, now run Dev C++. I'm going to tell you that how Dev C++ actually works. This is the interface of Dev C++, which is a compiler for C and C++ programming, but you can run C programming, right? So press Ctrl+N. So, or you can also click File and New, right? Okay, I'm gonna help you understand how we run C programming in Dev C++. Just gonna write hello world program, our first program. This is a single line comment. stdio.h as include for new.s. This is very simple program that I'm gonna write. So printf hello world. Now then case return 0. Okay, now hello world program, it's almost complete. You can just click and execute, compile. Okay, no errors, and then run. This is a hello world printed. This is done. This is very simple program, hello world program. So you can also test this program that this Dev C++ is working or not. And in this video, just I help you to understand that how we install Dev C++ in a computer in Windows machine. So in the next video, we'll be talking about different data types or very introductory parts of the C programming, like variables, constants, identifiers, operators, etc. So I think this video helped you a lot. I'm Gentle from Gentle Programming. Thank you guys.